In this video I will demonstrate how to make organic compost. This simple process is smell-free and easy to implement. Also please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. How to make organic compost. This compost is 100% organic, that is good to our plants like bearing fruits and vegetables. In order to make a compost you simply need a container or it can be anything from bucket to a normal dustbin or a garden pot. Make sure that you put some holes at the bottom of the container so as to let some air easily. A shallow tub or tray to collect the drain water. To prepare the most nutrient-rich compost we will require these ingredients. Eggshell are made out of calcium carbonate. It helps the plants to develop a strong cellular structure. Green vegetable and fruits waste. It is high in nitrogen and helps to activate the heat process. Dried leaves of any kind. If it is not available we can use any type of paper like cardboard boxes. It is a prime carbon source. Banana peel. It will add potassium as well as small amounts of nitrogen, phosphorus and magnesium. We need also to add garden soil. It will keep the bad smell away and it will fasten the composting process. In order to help compost break down faster, shred kitchen waste since it takes longer for larger pieces to break down. Also the eggshell and banana peel. This will speed up the time it takes to make the compost. Layer the bottom of the container with enough garden soil to cover the bottom and above of compost to start the pile, which will help to introduce the correct bacteria. Best place to start composting is outdoor, but you can even start the process inside your home. The best kitchen scraps to add to your compost pile are those fruit and vegetables scraps because they break down quickly and do not attract rodents and insects. Green kitchen waste, which are high in nitrogen, are used to activate the heat process in your compost. Dried leaves or cardboard boxes is a good source of carbon. Add crushed eggshells to add calcium and other minerals in the compost. Repeat the process and add multiple layers of kitchen waste, garden soil respectively. All the items should come into contact with one another and should be laid down in the layers that are only a few inches deep. Garden soil will keep the bad smell away and it will fasten the composting process. Before to proceed in the process, don't forget to place tray or shallow tub underneath the container, to avoid any spills. Just repeat the process until your container is full, or if you're satisfied already with the amount of compost you want to make. After completing the piling, water well or thoroughly. Reuse the collected drained water. It contains useful bacteria and essential nutrients. Repeat it as necessary. After this process, just simply cover it. It is usually taking about 2 to 3 months for the compost to be made. Making compost correctly will allow you to feed your plant essential nutrients and make your soil more fertile, all while using items that would otherwise go into your trash. I use it regularly in my grapevines, once every week, as my main source of organic fertilizer. After watching this video, visit my channel for more videos that you can watch, like how to grow grapes in a container at your home, and more. Thank you for watching. Please also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos to come.